Hello graphic designers, in this tutorial you will learn how to make neon glow lines in Photoshop. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Let's start. Create a new file. Width is 1920 and height is 1080. Select black background and click Create. Create a new layer. And open Pen tool to create lines. Make a point at left, then hold and drag to make curve shape. Hold Alt and click on second point to stop auto curve. Again hold and drag to complete the curve. Press V to use Move tool. Now open Brush tool. Use soft round brush. Size is 25 and hardness is 0%. Next you will need brush settings and path from the window. Open these panels if these are not open. Now go to brush settings. In Shape Dynamis choose pen pressure and control. Then go to Paths, right-click and select Stroke Path. Select Brush and Tools and click OK. Right-click and delete path. Double-click on Shape Layer to open Layer Style. Add outer glow. Follow these settings to make glow like mine. Press Ctrl+J to copy. Go to Edits, Transform, Flip Horizontal. Again press Ctrl+J to copy, drag the line to top. You can also change its color anytime, just double-click on the effect. Go to Color Picker and select any color you want. If you like the tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.